Ever feel like your code is stuck in the past while everyone else is building the future? Let's learn how to bring your local code up to speed by pulling the latest changes from a GitHub repository in this quick tutorial. First, open your terminal or Git bash and navigate to your project's local repository using the change directory command. Confirm that you're in the correct directory by checking the command prompt, which should display the name of your repository. Before pulling, it's a good idea to check which branch you're currently on. This ensures you're updating the correct branch on your local machine. Use the git branch command to see a list of your local branches. The currently active branch will be marked with an asterisk. Now, use the git pull command followed by the name of the remote repository and the branch you want to pull from. For example, if you want to pull from the origin repository's main branch, you would type git pull origin main. After entering the command, Git will fetch the latest changes from a remote repository and merge them into your local branch. We'll see output in the terminal indicating which files have been updated or merged. Open your code editor and verify that the files have been updated with the latest changes. You should now see the incorporated updates from other collaborators, ensuring your local codebase is up to date.